Okay, student. In your next topic is documenting architecture design. Documenting architecture design is the topic name shows documenting. It is a agreement or it is a communication between the two people. It means a stakeholder or client and server user. It is a documenting architecture design. While design diagram intended to good way to explore the options to encourage the discussion with between the architects or the stakeholder. A design to over the architecture is properly communicated with the all stakeholders or for the negotiation and the agreement between the stakeholder. That one we can call it as a document architecture. Document architecture, it is a communicated between the all stakeholder for the negotiation and the agreement. What are the requirement we have, what are the document is enough for the information we can perform in the types of analysis to different stakeholder. It is a, we can take an example of property means we can analyze 3 into 40 or 3 into for 60 or 40 into 60 or 40 into 80, like that we can analyze the information and we can take a decision or we can agreement with that one we can call it as a documentation architecture. In your documentation architecture we can have a three types. First one is system and architecture context. Architecture context. First one is system and architecture context. Second one is description of architecture view. Architecture view. In your description architecture views we can have a three types. First one, element catalog. Second one, architecture rational. Architecture rationally. And last one is other information. And in your document architecture design there are three types. Last one is across view documentation. Across views documentation. In your document architecture there are three types. System and architecture context, description and architecture view. In your description architecture views there are three types: element catalog, architecture rational, and other information. And even your documentation architecture design last step is across view documentation. What is the purpose we can use the system and architecture context? What is the necessity of this we can use in a document architecture design? Means system and architecture context, it is the first step we can design in your architecture document. It contains the identification of the stakeholder with the concern about the stakeholder. That purpose we can use the system architecture context. It contains the identification of stakeholder. It is a different stakeholder we can have in nowadays. It means we can take a property or we want to get a property, means we can go for the number of stakeholder will be there, or number of stakeholder will be there. Then we can go for the good stakeholder and we can inquire everything and we can take a properties. Like that, system and architecture context, it is a different stakeholder will be there, and we can number of system properties also we can have. That time we we are the actor, we can react with the system or resources. This purpose we can use the system architecture context. Next one is description of architecture view. It is a description architecture view we can call it as a pictorial representation of view. That one we can call it as a description of architecture view. Pictorial representation of the view. That one we can call it as a description of architecture view. Description architecture view, that one we can call it as a pictorial representation of view also we can call. In your pictorial representation view, we can use a element catalog, architectural rationale, and another information we can have. What is the element catalog? It names shows only element. What is the element? It is the element catalog. Element means we can information. What are the information? We can provide the more information about the element. That one we can show. We can call it as a element catalog. Catalog means number of information we can have. Anywhere go for the hotel or somewhere we can go, means we can have a catalog. Catalog means information will be, everything will be shared. That information element, it view the specific element of the relation between them, or we can provide the more information about the element, or primary representation, or we can describe the process. That one we can call it as the element catalog. Next one is architecture rationale. What is architectural rationale? It is this views his specific element and the relationship in them. It does not provide the insight architecture chosen. It is only for the relationship between stakeholder. It is a specified element and the relationship. It is the specific relation and the element and the relationship between the actor or the stakeholder. That one we can call it as a architecture rationale. It is not based on describe the purpose of this one is not provide the insight architecture choose. It only shows the behavior it will be shows. Next one, behavior, it is the structural information. Structure behavior, that one we can call it as a structural information. It is a structural information. We can call it as a behavior or execution. We can call it other information. What are the other information we can have in a document architecture design means? Then many include description. It have not been taken to the architecture. It will be choose for the protocol or rules or steps we can have to execute the process, or we can create the process, or future enhancement we can have to choose the server and the protocol. That one we can call it as other information we can have in a documenting architecture design. In documenting architecture design, it is communicated with the all stakeholder and the agreement or communication between each other. That one we can call it as a documentation architecture design. In your architecture design, there are three types: system architecture, description architecture views, and across view documentation. In your description architecture view, there are four types: element catalog, architecture rationale, other information, and behavior. Element catalog, it will be based on the purpose. We can use the what are the information we can provide it to the element under the interface. That one we can call it as the element catalog. Architecture rational, it means it only the relationship between the elements, not provide the insight. Architecture chosen, it not given the choice, it only the it provides the relationship between the element. That one we can call it as the architecture rational. Then behavior it is a structural information. This views gives the structural information, actual behavior and the execution, what are the process will be executed, that purpose we can use the behavior. Last one, other information, it might be include the description, all the relationship between the views, it is a strong or straightforward. This process we can used. Cross view documentation, it is the relationship between the view, it is a strong or straightforward, it will be worked or not, that purpose we can use the across view documentation. In your across view documentation, we can use the ADL's information notation, we can use. What is the full form of ADLS? Means architectural description language. Languages we can use. Formal architecture description language, various form of ADL's format we can use. ADL means architecture description languages we can use. Then we can use the, many people now use the UML format also, we can use unified modeling language. Unified modeling language. Unified modeling language also we can use in across view documentation. Across view documentation, what are the purpose we can use? Meant it is a different views we can use. Primary purpose we can use the relationship between the view is strong or the straightforward, or putting the multiple views or one diagram will be we can clutter our view and making the confusing. That time we can use the ADLs and the UML architecture we can use. ADLs means architecture description language and UML means unified modeling language. It represented the architecture. This purpose we can use the documenting architecture design.